In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be comfortable recording a purchase you've already paid for, so your books stay accurate and up to date. This is perfect for things like office supplies, subscriptions, travel, or any cost you paid with a bank account, credit card, or cash. If you're tracking a bill you'll pay later, that's a different transaction type. But today we're focusing on expenses you paid right away. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the correct company. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right file if you manage more than one company. The company name will appear at the top. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to create your expense. Next, look for the Create or New button, often shown as a plus icon at the top of the page. Click it, then choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks you're recording a cost you've already paid. If you see several transaction types, make sure you pick Expense, not Check or Bill. Expense is ideal when you paid electronically, by card, or with cash, and you want to categorize the cost directly to an expense account. Now fill in the details. Start with the payee, which is the vendor or person you paid. Choose the payment account like the bank or credit card the money came from. Set the payment date and, if helpful, add the payment method and a reference number. In the Category Details section, pick the correct expense account from your chart of accounts. For example, office supplies, meals, or software. Add a clear description and the amount. If the expense needs to be split across multiple categories, add extra lines with the appropriate amounts. If you track sales tax, select the tax rate where applicable so your reports stay accurate. Use the memo field for context, such as what was purchased or the trip it relates to. If you re-bill costs to customers, you can mark a line as billable and select the related customer or project. And if you have a receipt, attach it here so you have clean documentation for audits and month-end reviews. When everything looks right, click Save. You can save and close to return to the dashboard, or save and new if you're entering several expenses in a row. To review what you entered later, go to the Expenses section and filter by date, payee, or account. That's it. Simple, accurate, and organized. Follow these steps each time you record a paid purchase, and your financial reports will reflect the true cost of running your business.